Before Sugar, everyone was working in silos. The forecasting was hard. We knew we needed a better system to support growth and our appetite for international expansion. Speedpanel are a manufacturer of fire-rated and acoustic building systems that are ultimately here to make buildings safe. The biggest result that we've had with Sugar is that we've got more clarity, and the team and management operate with better end-to-end visibility. Our reps now know what's happening, what's expected, and what's next. Our forecasting accuracy in some months has been, bang on, 95%. We've halved the admin time on some of our processes, and our data is more reliable across the board. If I was to compare that to where we were, it's night and day. We've seen 50% reduction in admin across some of our processes. We're seeing faster problem solving by our teams. We're saving up to 30 hours a month thanks to our new installation review system. We're seeing lower costs, fewer mistakes, and ultimately better end-to-end collaboration by our team. SugarCRM has helped us better service our customers locally and ultimately sets us up for our plans for international expansion.
Sugar's all about helping Australian businesses transform to realise their ambition locally and empowering their international expansion.